All right, guys, today we are making a paleo McChicken with homemade burger buns, which I will post the recipe below. If you guys want me to show you how to make them, I totally can, but they were really, really good and paleo, which is great. So we're going to take our egg mixture and we're going to put our patty in there and we're going to heavily coat it, and then we're going to put our plantains in a food processor, and that's what we're going to use to give it that crunch. And so we're going to move it over and put our patty on the plantains. While you're doing this, just make sure that you are preheating your air fryer to 400 for 5 minutes. After we've done all of our patties, we're going to put it in the air fryer for 9 minutes at 400 degrees. And then when they're done, we're going to take them out and put them on a cooling rack. And then after that, these are our buns after they bake in the oven. They're super quick and easy to make. So if you guys want a recipe for these, just let me know. But they paired really, really well with this food. Now we're going to assemble it. Like, this is just such an easy recipe. And we're going to put our mayo on top and bottom. I like mine on top and bottom, so I spread out the increments, but you could do it just on top if you want. And then we're going to add our patty on there. And my camera was a little wobbly, so I apologize, but this was worth it. So, and then we're going to put our shredded lettuce. And then after that, just put the patty back on top, cut it in half, or just eat it straight. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.